Whoa.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are taking a look at the Good Karma Tarot. This is a beginner's guide to reading the cards by Carrie Ward. It's published by Welbeckpublishing.com, illustrated by Amy Blackwell, and it retails for $24.95 and in the UK, $19.99, and I'll link where you can purchase this down below in the description box. I'm not sponsored, not affiliated, just want you guys to find what you're looking for. So with that being said, let's take a look at what the back says. This beginner's guide to using tarot is specifically geared for personal guidance and self-development to help you understand your motivations, strengths, talents, and inner wisdom on your journey through life. Whether you are looking for a simple yes or no answer or want a more in-depth analysis of where you are right now or what lies ahead, this tarot offers hopeful and optimistic readings that bring good karma advice to all your decisions and actions. The pack includes 78 major and minor arcana cards and an accompanying 128-page guidebook explaining the meanings of each card, plus a section on different ways to lay them out in spreads. So, let's get into it. I've already kind of looked over the guidebook and it's actually really nice, and I took off the bindings to the cards so we don't have to see me struggle. But as you can see, it's all color inside, big prints of the cards, and there's a lot of really good information if you're just starting out with tarot. She debunks a few myths, gets you acquainted with tarot in a really nice way. Lots of good advice. And then there is some spreads back here as well. Where are they? So working with the deck, we have some spreads to help you make your own spreads. So we have week ahead, birthday or new year reading, future love or soulmate spread, exes and past relationship spread, career pathway, understanding myself through the tarot spread, and then more information in the back here, which is fantastic. So I don't feel like the guidebook is overwhelming. I feel like there's a lot of good question and answer parts of it. I feel like there's a lot of good info to get you started and get you reading the tarot like today. So that's fantastic. Then this is how the cards come packaged. This is my, I just don't like how they package the cards like this. And it's only a personal preference, just because I hate trying to split my cards up evenly. They never come out right. And that's just me. I know there are a few of you out there like me that are kind of that type that just hate having to split them up. But if that's going to be my only complaint, then we're really good. So let's move on. Oh, the back is really sunny and happy. It's glossy. Let's see. The cardstock isn't terrible. It's I would call it average cardstock. It's not super thin. It's not super thick. It's got that coating on there that will help it be stable. We'll see how it works when we shuffle. It is glossy, so I'm not a huge fan of that, but that's just, again, personal preference. No borders. Okay, so right off the bat, this art style reminds me of South Park when they first started their seasons out with the construction paper animation. That's what it looks like to me, and I love that. Very positive. Oh my gosh, how cute. The symbols are there. Wow. Oh my God, I love it. So cute. So cute. Oh, the pomegranate. Yes. Oh my gosh. The emperor. All right. This is so gentle. So sweet. Oh. Cute. Oh my goodness, look at that. I love this hermit card. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. Oh, what just a positive, fun, nurturing deck is this? I love. Oh my goodness. Cute. Ooh. Really like this death card. Look. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. I mean, I love this devil card. Ooh. Okay, I'm really digging this art style. Oh. Sweet. Cute. Oh my goodness. And there's no child in here. No naked baby. Cute. All right. So let's get into the minors here. Okay, wands. This is so sweet. I really like this representation of the Five of Wands. Because a lot of the times you get like people battling each other. This is really interesting of a take on it because their backs are turned and they're like, I'm not going to speak to you. Nope. This is sweet. I feel like the imagery here is really good for beginners. It's definitely telling you exactly what you need to know in the card. Love it. There's the black cat. Oh, I love. Okay, cups. Oh, I love. Oh. Sweet. Nice. Yeah, this is very nurturing, very gentle, very inclusive. I mean, look at all of the diversity and different body types in here. I love this. Oh my God. This is giving me Harry Styles vibes. Let me know down in the comments if you think the same. I don't know what it is. It's probably the hair. Not mad at it. Ooh, cool. Oh, what a neat... I mean, Three of Swords is kind of a heavy card, but that's a neat illustration for it. It's not just a heart with some swords in it. And usually swords can be a little bit of a more negative suit, I guess you would say. It's a little bit more tumultuous, but this is doing it very gently. It's very easy on the eyes, easy to interpret. It's not intimidating. That's an interesting take too. Instead of having the swords all in the back, it's on the back of the jacket. That's really cool. Oh, wow. The hair. That's cool. Ooh, look at that coin purse. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. For a minute there, oh my gosh, I glanced at it and I was like, why is she carrying waffles? Oh, but no, Natasha, they're coins. Oh my goodness. Do you see how my mind works? Celebrities and food. I'm just joking. This is really cute too. I am in love with this deck. I have to say it. I am absolutely in love with this deck. I think this is just very adorable and so well done and well thought out with just the different types of people, the different ways of incorporating the traditional Rider-Waite-Smith imagery into something new and modern and more easy on the eyes. Love. All right, handsome. Look at him. Okay, let's see how this deck shuffles. Then we'll pull a card and read from the guidebook. I am not mad at it at all. Get my nail around. There we go. Yeah, it shuffles just fine. It's just me, you know, having to adjust. Yeah, not an issue at all. The coating doesn't stick. The cards are moving just fine. Okay, can I get one card to read, please? All right. I'm going to read for Page of Wands. Looks like he is cooking up a storm there. Get stuck in. Use your ideas and put them into practice. You can find inspiration anywhere. You are about to experience a surge of creativity, ideation, and inspiration, but the risk is that you don't harness it or put the thoughts into practice or actions. See your plans through. The Page of Wands is sparky and full of intentions to do something new, but there can be so many options swirling around that he gets lost in thought rather than implementing his schemes. Follow through on your ideas. Put them into motion. Stick at it. Don't do a half a job and then skip onto something else. And don't worry that everyone is, and don't worry that anyone is expecting you to get everything right the first time. Don't put that pressure on yourself. Live and learn and see this as a learning curve experience. Perfectionism is the enemy. Oh my gosh, does this not relate to what I'm going through right now? If the Page of Wands represents a person, they are possibly a fire sign such as Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius. They're younger than you or somehow less mature. They may be full of ideas and you're tempted to join in. Go ahead, but ensure there is a firm plan in place, not just imaginative concepts. Traditionally, the Page of Wands shows a young man holding a long staff with green leaves sprouting from the top. His tunic is decorated with salamanders, a mythical creature associated with transformation. He is inspired by the potential growth represented by the sprouting staff, but he remains still, not yet taking any action. Good karma tip. The value of an idea lies in the using of it. Wow. Okay. So I absolutely love this deck. I feel like it is extremely beginner friendly. I feel like it has everything I would want when it's representing people. I mean, we can always want more. That's just human nature. But, you know, this is what I'm talking about when I'm saying I look for diversity. We have different body types. We have different skin colors. We have different hair colors. We have different relationship pairings. It's just really positive, really fun, really upbeat and nurturing. I'm really in love with it. And it's definitely feeling like good karma, as the title suggests. It gives you a lot of great information in the guidebook. So I definitely think it is worth the $25 or whatever it said on the back. Let's see. Yeah, $24.95. If you can find it cheaper, great. If not, $25 for this is not that expensive, considering if we compare it to like a Low Scarabeo deck, which ranges from $21.95 to $23, and it has a little tiny guidebook. So, and the packaging is not as nice. So again, there's always going to be caveats, but for me, I think this is a win. I think this is beautifully done, and I'm excited to start using it. And now I would like to turn the tables to you. What do you think about this deck? Are you as enamored with it as I am? I think it's so cute and fun. Let me know what you think about it down the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for spending your time with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. And also don't forget to check out the links down the description box. There's a lot of info down there for you guys. And with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. Again, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.